How to use the handheld printer B15 correctly. We begin by turning on the device using the power button. Then we connect it to our cell phone via Wi-Fi using the default password, which is from 1 to 8. Afterward, we open the PRT Fox app. Once in the app, we go to the More option, where we select our device. Once connected, we return to the main page, which will show us various options to include text, images, and codes. In this case, we enter a text. It will show us different font types, numbers, and icons to choose from. We can edit its size and font. When editing the text, you can add between 4 to 6 lines of text, with a maximum print height of 12.7 millimeters. If we want to include a QR code, we go to the QR option, and to generate it, we type the code or link. Also, if we want to include a barcode, we go to the code option and add the string. To save the information, we go to the File option and save it with the desired name. To print the information, we first insert the ink cartridge. Remove the lid and open the hatch to insert the cartridge horizontally. Slide it in and press. Make sure the cartridge is completely covered. Close it and proceed to print. To do this, select Print. And to activate it, press the side button. We will know it is activated when the words say Printing. We verify that printing is activated and proceed to slide it over the object. The coder allows us to print on flat, irregular, or curved surfaces. Once printing is finished, turn off the device to remove the cartridge and never forget to place the plastic isolator on the cartridge to prevent the ink from drying out.